In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add language to Google Chrome. If you browse in more than one language or you're learning a new one, adding it to Chrome makes things smoother for spell check, website display, and translation prompts. I'll walk you through the entire process clearly so you can follow along without pausing every second. Let's get started. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window, not incognito, so settings are saved and applied to your profile. Look to the very top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it's where Chrome keeps most of its controls and customization options. Click those three dots to open the menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences organized by category. If you ever close this by accident, don't worry. You can always get back here using the same three dots menu. In the Settings tab, find the Languages section. Depending on your version, it may appear directly in the left-hand sidebar, or under a category with similar wording. If your layout looks a little different, try expanding Advanced in the sidebar. The Languages page will be there. Click Languages to open it. On the Languages page, look for the option to add languages, then click it. This opens a searchable list of available languages that Chrome supports. Adding a language here doesn't instantly change your entire browser. It simply places that language into your list, so Chrome knows to recognize it for things like spell check and translation. Now choose the language you want to add. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type the name of the language. If your language has regional variants, pick the one that best matches the version you use day to day. Selecting the correct variant helps Chrome provide more accurate spellings and page suggestions. After selecting your language, click Add to confirm. You'll be taken back to the Languages page, where you'll see your new language listed. That's it. The language is now part of Chrome's recognized set for your profile. From here, you can explore Chrome's language options later to fine-tune preferences if you need to, but the core task of adding a language is complete. A quick note. If you're using a work or school device, some settings may be managed by your organization, which can limit changes. Also, interface wording and placement can vary slightly by operating system, but the flow you've seen here remains the same. You've successfully added a language to Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.